Python 2.7, sqlite3, ValueError, could not convert blob to buffer. I am trying to save a blob created from an integer array, that is, a packed array of integers, in an SQLite DB. The script shown below gives the following traceback. As far as I can see from the Python 2.7 sqlite3 documentation, it should be possible to insert a buffer object into a table, where it is supposed to be saved as a blob. However, I am unable to make this work. Phew, instance B, buffer, prints true if inserted into the script, so I'm indeed creating a buffer object. Any suggestions? Thanks. P.
Christian Schuberts' note about the bug is correct, but bytesr will give you the _str_ representation instead of a serialized output. Therefore, use r.toString. Use array.fromString to unserialize the array again. You have to create an array object with the same type and then call .fromString ...